For mitosis experiment, we require the following things: onion root tip, brush, slide, needle, scalpel, forceps, pen, filter paper or blotting paper, small dropper, big dropper, acetocarmine stain, glycerin, and beaker, water, compound microscope. Now see the procedure of this experiment. First we have to take a glass slide, clean glass slide, and with the help of a brush we have to take onion root tip on the slide. Now this onion root tip, which we'll take on the slide, we'll take the onion root tip on the slide. And after that we will take a drop of acetocarmine stain to stain the root tip. And keep it for 1 or 2 minutes, and it will remain for 1 or 2 minutes. Let the root tip take the stain. After that, with the help of big dropper, we'll take a drop of glycerin. With the help of big dropper, we'll take glycerin and place. This is a cover slip. This is the cover slip. You can see a cover slip in my hand. Now we'll put a cover slip on the top. We'll put a cover slip on the root tip and give little pressure with the help of the pen. We'll give pressure like this with the help of the pen to smash it. While doing this, whatever stain or glycerin is coming out, we can clean it with the help of filter paper or blotting paper. After cleaning, we'll place this slide. After cleaning, we'll place this slide under the low power of the microscope. We'll place this slide under the low power of the microscope. Place the slide under low power of the microscope. First we'll focus the slide under low power. As soon as the prophase stage is visible, we will change the focus to the high power. As soon as the focus low power is visible, we will as soon as the low power is visible, we can see the stages in low power. Now it can be changed to high power of the microscope. So in this way we can perform our mitosis experiment.